my 14th module from KidsSpeak2Lead. My topic for today is why homework should be replaced with games. Have any of you stared at a mountain of homework feeling like you'd rather be building a mountain of Legos? Yeah, me too. But if I told you there's a way to learn and have fun at the same time? That's right. It's time to ditch those boring drills and worksheets and level up playtime as homework. Reason number 1, games make us super smart. Think about your favorite game. Do you have to strategize, solve puzzles, and maybe even work with your friends to win? Games are like secret brain gyms. They help us learn new things, think critically, and improve our memory. Imagine remembering all the cool tricks in your game. That's the type of memory power games can unlock. Reason number 2, games make us teamwork champions. Board games are awesome because they bring people together. You have to communicate, cooperate, and maybe even negotiate a little to win, especially against your sneaky elder sibling. These skills are important in real life too. Whether it's working on a school project or collaborating with friends on the playground, games make us teamwork champions. Reason number 3, games make us imaginary inventors. Building games, boom, instant castles. Pretend play, stories explode. Even video games can spark wild ideas. Games are like magic portals where our imagination takes charge. But wait, what about mom, dad, and teachers? Okay, I hear you all. Adults might think that games are just for fun. But guess what? They can learn a lot too. Maybe challenge your parents to a board game night. Or ask your teachers about educational games that can help with a particular subject. You might just be surprised how much fun everybody has while learning something new. So the next time somebody says homework time, remember, playtime is just as important. Games make us smarter, more creative, and better team players. They are like treasure chests filled with learning and fun, all waiting to be unlocked. Now, let's show everybody that playtime deserves a gold star on our report card. Now, who's ready to level up their learning with some awesome games? Yes! Thank you for your time.